Join our WhatsApp community and become a part of our super cool live hobby classes. Link is in the description.
Hey everyone, how are you all? Welcome to Camp K12 and today we are going to make a beautiful clay tinklet. Are you all ready to make it with me? Give me a thumbs up if you're excited. Hey kids, so now let's make it. What do you need to make a clay tinklet? You need some clay. Any color and any clay will work. So I'm going to use this pink clay. You have to roll it and press it and make it thin. Make it as thin as you can. You can also use a roller to roll it and make it thin. Now you need to give it a shape of leaf. You can also make the little of design to look it like a leaf. After this, you can just roll it a little, curve it inwards to give it a shape of tinklet. Tinklet is a kind of tray. It is ready. Now we are going to make a beautiful flower to stick on it. Very easy for the flower. You can use another color if you want. So I'm using light pink here. You need a very little of it to make a roll. With the help of some pen, just make a hole like this. Then roll it again. Pinch it like this and give it a shape of petal. You can stick it on it. If you want an embossy look, you can put the petal up. Let's make another petal. Similar step you have to do. Roll it, pinch it, again give a shape of petal, and again you can stick it. Emboss it a little, and again you can make 3 to 4 petals. For this, even you don't want any clay tools, you can do everything with your hand. Let's make 2 more petals. Pinch it. Again, stick it. 1 more petal is needed. Pinch it. Give it a shape. Like this, you can make more and more petals. You can stick it on the tinklet and your clay tinklet is ready. This is made up of air dry clay. I have also made some tinklets of molded. They look very beautiful. So you can use any kind of clay like Shilpkar, Fevicryl, molded to make these beautiful tinklets. Thank you so much.
Hey, we hope you guys liked the video. If yes, then make sure that you click on the subscribe option and also you hit that bell icon so that you're notified whenever a new video comes out. Also, make sure that you share this video with all your friends and your family members. And we'll see you guys with the next video really soon. By that time, this is Camp K12 signing out. Thank you so much.